आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let's start the question. First question is, explain using a suitable diagram how unpolarized light get linearly polarized by scattering. B part is, describe briefly the variation of the intensity of transmitted light when a polarized sheet kept between the two crossed polaroid is rotated. The diagram depicting the variation of intensity with the angle of rotation. How many maxima and minima would be observed when theta varies from 0 to pi? So, first questions. Now, this is a sun and it radiates energy which has a parallel component and a perpendicular components. When this radiation strikes to the air molecules or any molecules, then the electrons in the molecules acquire the components of motion under the influence of the electric fields, and the accelerated charge has no transverse component of their acceleration, so it has no any parallel components after the scattering. So we can easily see that the scattered ray has only the perpendicular components, not the parallel component which are propagating in the directions. So we get the polarized or plane polarized light after the scatterings. Now B parts. Let I naught is the intensity after the polaroid P1. So the intensity after passing through P2 will be, after P2 the intensity I will become I naught cos square theta, since the P1 and P2 are crossed. Hence, the angle between their path axis will be 90 minus theta. So, angle between path axis will be 90 minus theta. So, put the value, I will become I naught cos square theta into cos square 90 minus theta. So it becomes I naught cos square theta into sin square theta and multiplied by 4 divided by 4. So it becomes I naught by 4 and 4 cos square theta sin square theta, it becomes sin square 2 theta. So this is the intensity after the polaroid P2. Now what is the variation? So we put the value of theta equal to 0, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 and so on. So we found that at a point the intensity at theta equal to 0, the intensity will 0, and at theta equal to 45, the intensity become I naught by 4 or I naught by 8. At theta equal to pi by 2, the intensity becomes again 0, and whenever we put the value or increase the value of theta, the intensity will vary. Now if we plot the graph, this is intensity and this is theta. So the graph is this is 0, this is pi by 4, this is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi. So this is the intensity variation of theta with theta. And if the light is unpolarized, the intensity becomes I naught by 8, and if the light is polarized, then maximum intensity will be I naught by 4. Thank you. There are two maxima and two minima when theta varies from 0 to pi. So I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।